Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to cross-play Red Dead Redemption Online between Xbox and PC, and this needs a clear explanation. At the moment, Red Dead Online does not support crossplay between Xbox consoles and PC. This means Xbox players cannot play online missions, events, or free roam together with PC players. Rockstar Games has separated Red Dead Online servers by platform to keep gameplay balanced and secure. PC players are matched only with other PC users, while Xbox players can only join Xbox lobbies. Even if both accounts are connected through Rockstar Social Club, cross-platform play is not enabled. There is no in-game setting, official feature, or safe workaround to make this possible. Any claims suggesting otherwise are incorrect. To play together, everyone must be on the same platform. Until Rockstar officially adds crossplay, Xbox and PC remain completely separate in Red Dead Online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.